Ever wondered what is a green screen? Green screen is another kind of overlay feature. You can set color in top layer of the overlay clips transparent, so the background video or image can show through. Green screen is a funny tool in video making process, allowing you to superimpose subjects to different virtual background video clips, so as to make cool videos, such as the giant and the dwarf, a Superman flying in the sky, or even Spider-Man dancing in stormy Russia. So today, I'm gonna show you how to use green screen effect in Filmora 9 video editor, plus basic video editing. First, launch Filmora video editor and hit create new project. Import both your background videos and green screen clips in the media library. Drag and drop the background video on the timeline track, or click the plus sign on hover, and the green screen video in the PIB track. I have here a stormy sky as a background and green screen video of Russia and Spider-Man dancing separately. Move your cursor over the green screen clip and double click to bring up the settings window at the left corner. Take the chroma key and you will get the green screen effects automatically. You can also refine the video with tools like tolerance, offset, and alpha channel to make the background video clearer. Once you are satisfied with the result, click OK at the lower right corner. And now for the basic video editing. Add some filters or overlays to make the video more relaxing or exciting. You can find it here. Just find your preferences. And we can also add some text over the video. You can pick and customize your own design. So let's try Marvel Studios presents Spider-Man road dancing. Then we can add some transition in the beginning of the video or any part of the video for audience attraction. If you are satisfied with your design, then it's time for the preview. After that, then you're done. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about the video, feel free to comment down below and please give it a thumbs up. This is Benjo Candelaria, signing off.